In this video, we're going to go over Rock Around the Clock, 2 verses. Make sure you get your capo up on 2. It's kind of hard to see mine. Let's get that ready, and then make your A 7th chord, and then put your first finger in between on the 3rd string, shove it up close to the 2nd fret. That's your A chord. When you go to the D chord, you move everybody over 1 string towards the 1st string. Spread out that first finger to make your D7. You go back to A, they all move back up 1 string, and you shove this finger up in between on the 2nd fret, so they're all on the 2nd fret. That's your A chord. Let's go back to D7 and move over, spread out. That's your triangle. Then back to A, shove that finger up in, back to D7, back to A, back to D7, back to A. Then, as another warm-up, we'll go A to E7. The trick there, lift fingers 2 and 3. Don't lift them out like that, right? Just pick them up from the back of your hand, so they're always pointing down at the strings. So make your A, lift those 2, slide the first finger to the 1st fret, finish your E7th chord. Get up close to the fret there if you can. Best place. Going back to A, you lift that finger, slide him back to the 1st or to the 2nd fret, put your A7 fingers down around it, and you got your A chord. Let's go to E7 again, lift, slide, finish. Lift, slide, finish. Back to E7, lift, slide, finish. Lift, slide, finish. Back to E7, back to A. That sliding finger is called a guide finger. Lift, slide with your guide finger, finish. Lift, slide, finish. Okay, so we're going to do Rock Around the Clock. Sing if you can. And remember, it goes 1 and cover. N period, C period is no chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock. That's E7 around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on and join me, hun. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 1:7. Rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2 and 3 and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Then the 5, 5, 5 at the end. 5, 5, 5, 4, 3. 2, 3, 2nd position. We'll go over that 5, 5, 5 one more time. So 5, 5, 5, and that's with your 4th finger. Then 3, 3, 3 with your 3rd finger, and 2, 2, 2 with your 2nd finger, and 1, 1, 1 with your 1st finger. So that is all your fingers. Again, let's do that. Rest strokes down here because that's melody, and that's how we get the notes to come out of our guitar loud. 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Count to 4, move to 2nd position. 3, 4, here we go. 0, 2, 4, 5, and hit your A chord. That's Rock Around the Clock with strumming.